Did you know that thousands of security cameras are completely exposed on the internet right now, allowing unauthorized people to view them without a password? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to check if your ICSee cameras are publicly accessible on the internet and viewable by strangers. This is a critical privacy check that takes less than 5 minutes, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. Let's protect your system right now. Welcome back to Uederson Security Lab, where we take your digital security seriously. To begin, we need to see how your network appears from the outside world. Open a web browser on a computer or smartphone connected to the same Wi-Fi as your cameras and search for a website that shows your public IP address, such as What's My IP or any My IP lookup tool. Once the page loads, copy the sequence of numbers displayed. This is your external IP address, the digital front door to your home network. Now that we have this address, we're going to use a powerful search engine designed to find connected devices across the internet, called Shodan. Go to shodan.io in your browser. In the main search bar, paste your external IP address and press Enter. Shodan will check its database to see if your network is exposing any open ports or active services, including those commonly used by ICSee and similar devices. Take a close look at the results page. If no results appear or no public ports are listed, your system is safe from basic external scans. However, if your IP address appears with details about open ports related to video surveillance, it means your camera may be accessible over the internet to unauthorized users. If your network shows up in the results, don't panic. It usually means you need to disable UPnP on your router, change default passwords, or turn off risky port forwarding settings. Leave a comment below letting us know if your system passed the test, or if you'd like a dedicated tutorial on how to completely block external access. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video to help keep your friends and family safe. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.